This guitar was in a toilet. No. Interesting story. No.
Yeah.
This guitar was given to Tony by Billy Gibbons, but this was his. He played this all over the world. It's one of a kind. It's Gibson Futura, and there's not many of those. Gibson custom made these in the 50s and never made them again. No reissues ever. Just originals.
Yeah.
There's very few. Yeah.
Wow.
Futura.
Futura.
Yeah. Look at the neck. Gibson never done logo like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only
Also mechanics
bevel.
are
Yeah.
strange.
yeah, only for Billy Gibbons.
So this is from the 50s, you said?
Yeah. And the pickups are the original PAF, PAF
Yeah.
pickups. This is, you can't get these anymore anywhere. I mean, if the pickups can be as much worth as a guitar is.
Yeah.
These pickups.
Looks great. Yeah.
From Fiat.
Ma anche a paetta è strana, sì.
Sì, c'è tipo de...
Come si chiama paetta in inglese?
Palette.